Hi, second graders. It's Miss White here. I am so excited to be learning with you today. Today is Tuesday, May 26th. We are going to read parts of a plant. In your packet, find this page. Second graders, do you notice that this page looks a little bit different than the other articles we've read before? That's because this page is not like an article. Instead, it gives us information, almost like a nonfiction textbook would. Notice that there are bold words, diagrams, photographs, headings, body paragraphs. All of those things help us understand what we are reading about. When we look at the title, Parts of a Plant, we have an idea about what we are reading about. What do you think we're reading about? We are reading about what makes a plant and the different parts that make that plant. Let's go ahead and begin reading. From the roots to the leaves, every part of a plant has an important job. The three main parts of a plant are the roots, and then notice in the diagram where it shows roots, the stem, see in the diagram where it shows the stem, and the leaves. Here it says leaf. Leaf is one, leaves is more than one. Most plants also make seeds. Second graders, you know what seeds are because you planted them. Let's keep reading. Roots. Roots hold plants in the ground so that they do not fall over. Roots take in nutrients and water from the ground. Then they bring the nutrients and water to the stem. Roots can also hold nutrients for later. See the roots down here? The roots are how a plant feeds itself. It's where the water comes in, and it's where the nutrients are stored. Stem. Stems can vary from plant to plant. That means that they can be different depending on the plant. They can be soft, hard, woody, or bendable. The stem holds the plant's leaves up to the sunlight. It also brings water and nutrients from the roots to the leaves and flowers. Leaves. Leaves can come in many different shapes and sizes. They can have smooth or zigzag edges. A plant's leaves are shaped to easily take in sunlight. The sunlight is used to make food for the plant. Seeds. A seed is what starts a plant's life cycle. Most plants have flowers that help to make seeds. A flower's colorful petals attract pollinators like bees and birds. The sepals are leaves that protect the flower while it grows. The stamen is the male part of the flower that makes the pollen. The pistil is the female part of the flower that makes seeds. Wow, second graders, we just learned so much about the parts of a plant. Now it's time to answer some questions, and we are going to be answering questions by finding text evidence or by finding details in the text. If you have crayons or colored pencils at home, you are going to underline the answers in the appropriate color. So for example, with a red colored pencil or crayon or even a pen, underline the 3 main parts of all plants. Then you'll write down the answer here. In blue, you'll underline what is the job of a plant's roots. And then you'll write it right here. In yellow, you'll underline what stems can look and feel like. And then you'll write it down. In purple, you'll write what is the job of a plant's stem. And in green, you'll find what does the shape of leaves help them do. And then finally, in orange, you'll answer, what are sepals? Now, second graders, all of the evidence is in this section. So find the answers and underline them. Now, you may be wondering what to do if you don't have crayons or colored pencils at home. That is a problem. Just kidding. Underline it in any color that you have, even if it's just a pencil. The idea is that you're able to find the answer in the text and then write it down right here. Don't worry about colors. We're more interested in seeing that your brain is finding evidence in the text. When you are done, send a picture of this work to your teacher. We can't wait to see what you will learn. Second graders, I love you and I miss you and I wish you well. I hope you have a great Tuesday.